Morning, Sharks. Happy Thursday. Hard to believe it's the last day of April. Let's review the agenda for today. For reading, you are going to complete the tops and bottoms PowerPoint. You are going to review homophones and then complete a extended response for tops and bottoms. Let's check it out. So first, for the PowerPoint, it looks like this. You need to put this in slideshow mode by clicking on slideshow, go from the beginning, or also click on the icon over here. When you get to slide 7, you are going to drag the words into the correct sentence. The next slide is going to be instructions, and I know that this becomes a little challenging for you because you're going to have to go back and forth between two tabs. This here is the entire book, so please go through and reread the book. On this last page here, this is what your assignment is going to be, your extended response. It looks like this. You are going to have to go back and forth to both slides to go back and check your answers. I know it becomes a little tedious, but this is the only way that we can do it right now. For question 1, you're going to use this illustration here to answer the question. For questions 2 and 3, I would like you to go back into the text to locate the answers. The last page is going to be a cause and effect. Remember that cause is why something happened and the effect is what happened. For math, this is what it says for math. Today we're going to learn how to multiply multiples of 10 using the distributive and the associative properties. You're going to complete an assignment on I Know It and Practice Buddy. So let's first review the Practice Buddy. This is what the Practice Buddy looks like. Some students are having a hard time logging into Envisions. I need you to remember that you should be in Google Chrome. Envisions works best in Google Chrome. So when you are doing an assignment like this, if you're having trouble, remember you're going to click the upper right question help button, and this should also give you some examples. Next thing, I know it. This is what the I know it assignment is going to look like. It is going to be the distributive property of multiplication. If you click,
use the distributive property to find the missing factor.
Okay, now we did the distributive property of multiplication in the beginning of the year. So you remember that there will always be a constant. The 6 and the 6 is the constant. Then 3 plus something is going to equal this number right here. I can also look at the array up here where this would also be a 3 by 6. So the correct answer here would be 3, and then you would continue. All righty. Social studies, don't forget you have 2 assignments on Newsela. You have one with Pennsylvania. Don't forget you need to do the quiz, the power words, and the writing prompt. You have the same thing for Vermont. Finally, you have a science PowerPoint called Types of Climates, and then you'll have an assignment on Freckle. There's one more thing. Some of you still did not finish your trifold. Remember, your trifold is also due on Friday. So please make sure you are using your time wisely. Mrs. Powell and myself would love to see a bunch of you on our video chats. If you can, make sure you are able to attend the times that you were given. If not, remember that we will be able to see you at another time. If you have any questions when you are doing your work, please do not hesitate to contact us. You also need to make sure you're checking your Teams page. Check your channel. On your channel is going to be information if you are missing any work. Have a great day, boys and girls.